What would really happen if you landed on other planets? Imagine stepping out of your spacecraft onto another planet. No aliens, no explosions, just physics, pressure, heat, cold, and no, a positive attitude will not help. Your body wasn't designed for this. So what would really happen if a human landed on different planets across our solar system? Let's find out. And if you enjoy extreme science like this, subscribe to If World. Venus, the planet that crushes you. Venus might look peaceful from space, but it's one of the most hostile environments in the entire solar system. The atmosphere on Venus is incredibly dense. The pressure at the surface is 92 times higher than Earth's. That's the same pressure you'd experience nearly 1 kilometer underwater, or like having a mountain sitting on you. A very angry mountain. Within milliseconds, your spacesuit would begin to crumple. After 1 second, its structural integrity would fail. Your body wouldn't explode, it would compress. Blood vessels would rupture, your lungs would collapse, your organs would fail under the force. You'd lose consciousness in just a few seconds. Which, honestly, is probably the most merciful part. But Venus isn't done yet. The surface temperature averages 465 degrees, hot enough to melt lead. Even if pressure somehow didn't kill you, your internal temperature would rise rapidly. Your body would overheat from the inside out. Heat exhaustion would turn into heat stroke. Then organ failure. Venus isn't just deadly, it's thorough. Mercury, fire and ice. Mercury is closest to the Sun, but it has almost no atmosphere. That means there's nothing to trap heat. On the night side, temperatures drop to 180 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze exposed skin instantly. At first, you'd feel numbness in your fingers, then shivering, then confusion. Your muscles would stiffen, your coordination would disappear. After about an hour, severe hypothermia would shut your body down completely. But Mercury has another side. The day side reaches 427 degrees. So, yes, Mercury somehow manages to freeze you and cook you on the same planet. Here, extreme heat combines with intense solar radiation. Without perfect shielding, your skin would burn immediately. Radiation would begin damaging your DNA in fractions of a second. If your suit failed, hyperthermia would follow. Delirium, loss of consciousness, organ shutdown. Mercury offers no safe time of day, only bad timing. Mars feels more familiar. Rocky, cold, almost welcoming. That's exactly how it tricks you. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, with pressure less than 1% of Earth's. If your spacesuit failed, the air inside your body would begin to boil. This process is called ebullition. Your blood wouldn't boil violently, but gases dissolved in your fluids would expand. Your skin would swell, circulation would fail, oxygen would disappear. You'd lose consciousness quickly. Death would follow within minutes. Mars doesn't waste time. It's efficient like that. Even with a perfect suit, Mars still isn't safe. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet and last for months. Fine dust would damage equipment, clog filters, and slowly shut down life support systems. Mars gives hope, then takes it away. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. It's a giant ball of gas. If you entered its atmosphere, you would fall endlessly. No landing, no standing, just falling and falling, and regretting every life decision you've ever made. Pressure would increase rapidly. Winds would reach hundreds of kilometers per hour. Then come the storms. Jupiter produces lightning strong enough to power entire cities. A direct strike would destroy any spacecraft. Jupiter doesn't do warnings. It does overkill. Saturn. Beautiful and deadly Saturn shares many dangers with Jupiter, but it adds one more, its rings. They look peaceful from afar, but they're made of ice and rock moving at extreme speeds. A collision would tear a spacecraft apart instantly. Deeper inside Saturn's atmosphere, pressure becomes so intense that hydrogen turns into liquid metal. No human-made structure could survive that. Saturn is stunning, from very, very far away. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants. Temperatures drop below 220 degrees Celsius. Winds can exceed 2,000 km/h. At that speed, even your thoughts wouldn't keep up. Their atmospheres contain methane, which is toxic to humans. Any breach in protection would lead to suffocation, followed by freezing. On Neptune, supersonic winds would crush both ship and body within minutes. These planets don't just kill you, they erase you. Each planet follows the same rules of physics, and those rules are unforgiving. The solar system isn't empty. It's actively hostile. Turns out, Earth isn't boring. It's just survivable. If you enjoy science pushed to its limits, subscribe to If World. And don't worry, we promise not to send you to Venus.